Are you looking for ways to make money with YouTube? In this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways that you probably didn't know about. Hey, my name is Mr. FOMO and I'm a YouTuber. Making money with your videos is a lot easier than you think, and in this video I'm going to break down 5 different methods that are working great for me right now. So whether you're just starting out or you've been doing this for a while, there's something in here for everyone. 1. Sell products through your YouTube channel. If you're like many people, you probably use YouTube to watch videos of cute animals or the latest viral sensation. But did you know that YouTube can also be used to monetize your own products and services? With over 2 billion monthly active users, YouTube provides a huge potential audience for businesses of all sizes. And with a few simple steps, you can get started selling through your YouTube channel. First, create engaging video content that will appeal to your target audience. Once you've built up a following, start monetizing your channel with Google AdSense. You can also sell products directly through your channel by creating product videos and adding links to your website or online store. By taking advantage of YouTube's vast reach, you can reach more customers and boost sales for your business. So what are you waiting for? Start selling today. 2. Place ads on your videos. This can be a great way to generate income, but it's important to do it in a way that doesn't alienate your viewers. Here are a few tips for placing ads on your YouTube channel. First, make sure that the ads you choose are relevant to your audience and your content. If your channel is about cooking, for example, choosing ads for kitchen appliances or ingredients would make sense. However, if your channel is about music, advertising for a new car would probably not be relevant. Second, try to keep the number of ads per video to a minimum. Too many ads can be intrusive and off-putting for viewers, and could lead them to unsubscribe from your channel. Third, avoid running pre-roll ads, ads that play before a video. These are generally skipped by viewers as soon as they have the option to do so. Instead, opt for mid-roll or post-roll ads, which are less likely to be skipped. By following these tips, you can place ads on your YouTube channel in a way that is effective and unobtrusive. Doing so can help you generate the income you need to continue producing great content for your viewers. 3. Use affiliate marketing to make money from links in your videos. As a content creator, you always want to find new ways to monetize your work and make a living from your passion. Affiliate marketing is one way you can do this by incorporating links into your YouTube videos. When someone clicks on one of your affiliate links and makes a purchase, you earn a commission from the sale. This can be a great way to generate income, especially if you have a large following on YouTube. However, it's important to choose your affiliate programs carefully and make sure the products you're promoting are relevant to your audience. You also want to make sure that your videos are valuable and informative, as this will encourage people to click on your links. With some careful planning and execution, affiliate marketing can be a great way to make money from your YouTube videos. 4. Crowdfund a project or product through Kickstarter or Indiegogo and create a video about it. When it comes to crowdfunding a project or product, there are a lot of options out there. But 2 of the most popular platforms are Kickstarter and Indiegogo. So, how do you choose between the 2? And how do you create a successful campaign on either platform? Here are a few things to keep in mind when choosing between Kickstarter and Indiegogo. First, consider your audience. Kickstarter is geared more towards creative projects, while Indiegogo is better for tech projects. Second, think about your funding goals. Kickstarter has an all-or-nothing model, meaning you have to reach your goal to get any of the funds pledged. Indiegogo, on the other hand, has a flexible funding option, which means you can keep any of the funds pledged, even if you don't reach your goal. Finally, take a look at the fees. Kickstarter charges a 5% fee on all successfully funded projects, while Indiegogo charges a 4% fee on flexible funding campaigns and a 9% fee on fixed funding campaigns. Now that you know a little bit more about each platform, let's talk about how to create a successful campaign. Here are a few tips. First, make sure you have a great video. This is one of the most important elements of any crowdfunding campaign. Your video should be clear and concise, and it should give potential backers an idea of what your project is all about. Second, set realistic goals. Don't try to raise too much money or set unrealistic deadlines. If you do, you'll likely end up disappointed, and without any funding. Third, offer rewards that backers will actually want. Whether it's early access to your product or a personalized thank you note, make sure your rewards are enticing enough to get people to back your project. Finally, promote your campaign as much as possible. The more people who see it, the better chance you have of reaching your funding goal. So use social media, email marketing, and any other channels you can think of to get the word out there. If you follow these tips, you'll be on your way to success on either Kickstarter or Indiegogo, or both. Good luck. 5. License your content to other creators for a fee. YouTube is a powerful platform that enables content creators to reach a global audience. However, many YouTubers are unaware of the potential income that can be generated by licensing their content to other creators. When you license your content, you grant someone else the right to use it in their own YouTube videos. In return, they pay you a fee for each video they produce. This can be an excellent way to generate additional income, as well as increase the reach of your content. Furthermore, it is important to remember that when you license your content, you retain all rights to it. This means that you can continue to use it yourself, or license it to others in the future. Consequently, licensing your content is a great way to monetize your YouTube channel and expand your audience. If you're looking for ways to make money from your YouTube channel, there are a few options available to you. You can place ads on your videos, use affiliate marketing to make money from links in your videos, or crowdfund a project or product through Kickstarter or Indiegogo and create a video about it. If you have unique and valuable content, you can also license it to other creators for a fee. If you found this article helpful, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips on how to make money online. Thanks for watching.